So here we are demonstrating power meter designing using PIC microcontroller. So in this project we are going to check and measure the power which is connected load which were connected at this socket. So that will be measured by the PIC microcontroller through this optocoupler now. So here we are providing 230 volts input to this energy meter. So and the output was given directly to the load, and the output from this energy meter nothing but watt indication. So we know that there will be one LED indication which will indicate the load status. So whenever the light blinking is very fast, then it's indicated as high load is connected. So if the blinking rate is slow, then the load is very low, and that particular blinking rate will be connected to the optocoupler. So here the optocoupler is nothing but optically coupled. Same blink indication will be happen inside this PC817 optocoupler, and that blinking was converted into the pulses, and that is main input to the our PIC microcontroller. So here we are using PIC 16F72 microcontroller. So based on the blinking rates, so here the main ratings from this energy meter is 3200 blinks are happened, then there will be a load of 1 kilowatt hour is consumed by this load output from this energy meter. So here each blink is divided by 3200 nothing but, so one blink is consumed by the particular load, and it will be converting into the wattage, and that will be displayed on the LCD screen. So here the optocoupler is connected at A4 and LCD indicated connected at B2 to B7. So let us see the demonstration. And coming to this motherboard, so this is the capacitor just to make the current stabilization, and this is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and this one is the 20 megahertz crystal oscillator which will provide the 20 megahertz of clock pulse to the microcontroller to execute the instructions inside the microcontroller. So just before switching on this, just go on switching on the switch, and then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. Right, now no load is connected, so now we will place the 100 watts bulb. So this 100 watts bulb, and also connect the power source to the energy meter. Right, so wait for maximum of 10 to 15 seconds. So after that particular time duration, the system will calculate the wattage and the power nothing but. So it will be displayed on the LCD screen. So now the load is calculated, displayed on the LCD, and now it will be stabilized by the next reading. So starting two readings. Starting two readings you can neglect, and once the system got stabilized you will get the final readings. You can just start once. Right. So now it is showing the 115 watts for the 100 watts bulb. So now I want to change the bulb. So let us go with the 200 watts bulb. So after connecting the bulb, just better to restart the system in order to get the final readings. Now we have connected the high load compared to the previous load. Now it will provide the reading in less time only. So it's 184. So this system will keep on increase and will be stabilize the readings around of 200 watts only. So we can connect the variable load to this section, and the particular load will be same calculated and will be displayed on the LCD screen.